Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you the two different generations of the Gemmy and Snoring Santa. I'm pretty sure these are Gemmys, yeah. Now this one does have glasses, I just don't know where they are, they got lost, and yeah. So, you can see this one down into this box. This one has a red box and this one has a green box. This one I got saved, it's for like $4, and, well, actually, someone in my neighborhood, he actually lives in Swansea now. Hey, Nathan. One of my neighborhood people moved into your town. I know, it's surprising. I know, right? Now she gave me this one before she moved away. Yeah. That was sold at Walmart, I think, and this one, I don't know. Now they're different. This one is broken, just so you know. Doesn't move up and down. This one does work, yeah. And this one does have a yellow button, and this one has like a red button. We'll do a little bit of a comparison. The skin is like a white on this one. This one is like a black skin. This is like a black African-American Santa. Sort of, a little bit. Not really, but yeah. The mouths are different. The noises are different too, so I'll give you a comparison. Here's my first one. This is the one I got first, by the way. Do again. Berry boy. Alright, here's the other one. Noises are different, see? The speaker's not bad, it's just supposed to sound like that. So, yeah, so I'll go ahead and play both of them now. How lovely! Jackson, Erickson, and Anna sleeping together! Holy kidding. Oh my god. Play him again. So that was a little bit of a comparison on the Snoring Santas. This and that, this one's his box, and that one's his green. This is his green box. So this is a red box and a green box. They're the same exact boxes, just so you know. Nothing's different about them. Except this one says I'm a Snoring Santa, and there's the back. Oh my god. Show you the backs. They are pretty much said. They pretty much tell the same story twice and for Christmas, blah blah blah. Let me show you real quick. Actually, no, they're actually the same on the backs, actually. Yeah, this one's box is like... Yeah, this one's box is like broken a little bit, but it's still in good condition. So this one's back actually has a story, but this one does have the story, except it's on the side. The words are smaller. So now you guys learned something. You guys learned that these are different generations of the Snoring boys. Sandy's boys. Hey, I gotta fix this one's box. Whatever. So yeah, that was a little bit of comparison on the Gemmy Snoring Santa. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, bye. I just can't get it done.